Liv Morgan is all set to defend her Women's World Championship against Rhea Ripley at SummerSlam 2024. The rivalry started shortly after WrestleMania 40 when Liv Morgan kicked off her revenge tour against Rhea Ripley and attacked her in a backstage segment that led to Rhea Ripley being put out due to a real life injury. Liv Morgan wasn't done in the least though. She clearly stated that she wanted to take everything from Mami, including Dominic Mysterio, and thus kicked off Liv Morgan's romantic storyline with Dom Dom. This video will take a look at the 3-month romantic storyline involving Liv Morgan and Dirty Dom. On the April 22nd episode of WWE Raw, Dominic Mysterio saw Liv Morgan approaching him in a backstage area. There were no emotions on Liv Morgan's face, and Dominic Mysterio was angry as hell upon seeing Liv Morgan, knowing that she was the one who put Rhea Ripley on the shelf and put her away from him. No words were exchanged, nothing was said, but the tension in the room could be cut with a knife. May 25th, 2024, WWE King and Queen of the Ring PLE in Saudi Arabia. Before her Women's World Championship match against Becky Lynch, Liv Morgan was giving an interview to Byron Sexton. She was surprised to see Dominic Mysterio approach her. Liv Morgan, surprised, asked Dominic Mysterio what he was doing in Saudi Arabia when Rhea Ripley wasn't present there. Dominic bluntly told Liv Morgan that she knew why he was there. He wanted to make sure that Liv Morgan didn't defeat Becky Lynch for the Women's World Championship and take Mami's title away from her. After saying this, Dominic Mysterio immediately left and Liv Morgan was fuming. Things didn't turn out the way Dominic Mysterio wanted during the Women's World Championship match. He interfered during the final moments of the match and handed over a steel chair to Becky Lynch and then tried to interrupt the WWE official. In this confusion, Liv Morgan grabbed an opportunity and hit a DDT on Becky Lynch on the steel chair. This was enough for her to pick up a win over the man and become the Women's World Champion, to a loud pop from the fans in attendance. The only person who wasn't happy with the decision was Dominic Mysterio. Outside the ring at ringside, he put his hands on his face, realizing that he had just helped Liv Morgan win the Women's World Championship. 2 days later, May 27, 2024, Liv Morgan met Becky Lynch in a steel cage match in a rematch of the Women's World Championship in Saudi Arabia. Again, Dominic accidentally cost Becky Lynch the match and helped Liv Morgan retain her championship. While Liv Morgan was leaving on the entranceway, she noticed Dominic Mysterio looking at her. She kept looking at him for a few seconds and then, to the utter surprise of the WWE Universe, everyone present in the arena, she planted a kiss on Dominic Mysterio's lips, leaving him flabbergasted. This was one of the biggest WWE moments of the year, and the clip immediately went viral on wrestling Twitter. On the June 3rd, 2024 edition of WWE Raw, Dominic Mysterio finally confronted Liv Morgan in the middle of the ring. He made it clear to Liv Morgan that when Mami was going to return, she was going to kill Liv Morgan for what she was trying to do. Liv simply laughed, smiled at Dominic Mysterio and told him that yeah, she will probably kill her, but she will also kill Dominic. She then told Dominic that she wasn't joking when she said that she wanted to take everything from Rhea Ripley, including Dominic. And then she began approaching Dominic Mysterio in the corner of the ring and tried to woo him. All of a sudden, Finn Balor came out and talked to Liv Morgan, telling her to back off immediately. He told Liv Morgan that Dominic Mysterio wanted nothing to do with her, and Judgment Day as well didn't want anything to do with her. Morgan then asked Finn Balor what if Dominic Mysterio didn't want her to leave. She left the ring anyway, while Dominic tried to explain to Finn Balor that he wasn't in on this. Later in the night, Braun Strowman tried to attack Dominic Mysterio on the entranceway, but Liv Morgan came out of nowhere and pleaded with him to stop hurting Dominic. A few seconds later, Carlito and the rest of the Judgment Day began beating Braun Strowman in the middle of the ring, while Dominic Mysterio came face to face with Liv Morgan at ringside. For the second time in a row, Finn Balor came out and got between Dominic Mysterio and Liv Morgan. He again told Liv Morgan to leave Dominic alone, and Liv simply left backstage. Liv Morgan went too far on the June 10, 2024 episode of WWE Raw, when she invaded the Judgment Day's locker room. Dominic saw Liv Morgan chilling in the locker room and made it clear to her that he wanted nothing to do with her. In response, Liv said to Dominic that he shouldn't be with someone who wants him to call her mommy, but should be with someone who likes to call him daddy. Liv then told Dominic Mysterio that if he changes his mind about her, he should come to her hotel room, and then handed him her hotel key card. As soon as Liv Morgan left, Dominic Mysterio put the hotel key card on the desk and kept looking at it. Another big moment in this saga came shortly after, when Zelina Vega pushed Liv Morgan on Dominic, who was waiting at ringside. A romantic moment followed between Liv Morgan and Dominic Mysterio, which was immediately interrupted by Zelina Vega, who began brawling with Liv Morgan. On the June 17, 2024 edition of WWE Raw, Liv Morgan took Dominic Mysterio's vest and came out to the ring wearing it. Dominic Mysterio asked for her to give him back his vest, but she simply smiled at him and began approaching him and started touching him. The romantic moment was again interrupted by Zelina Vega, who kicked off another brawl with Liv Morgan. Rey Mysterio also got involved and began beating his son Dominic Mysterio. Later in the night, Dominic Mysterio found Liv Morgan in a backstage area and asked her again to give him back his vest. Liv Morgan told Dominic that he could have his vest back only if he took it off of her. Dominic hesitated a bit, but then started unzipping his vest from Liv Morgan. Unfortunately for him, Damian Priest came out of nowhere and yelled at him. Dom tried to explain to Damian Priest that he was simply trying to take his vest back from Liv Morgan. He then quickly unzipped the Liv off of Liv Morgan and rushed out of the backstage area. A week later, on the June 24th episode of WWE Raw, Dom, Liv Morgan and Zelina Vega were involved in an in-ring segment. The WWE Universe was chanting sloppy seconds at Liv Morgan, and she simply said she didn't care. Dominic Mysterio tried to speak, but the WWE Universe wasn't letting him speak one word. He then made it clear to Zelina Vega that he didn't want to see Liv Morgan with Rhea Ripley's Women's World Championship and wanted to help her win and take the title off Liv Morgan. Zelina Vega told Dominic Mysterio that she didn't need any of his help. An irate Liv Morgan suddenly attacked Zelina Vega. Out came Rey Mysterio and separated Liv Morgan from Zelina Vega, and this didn't sit well with Dominic Mysterio. He ended up pushing Rey Mysterio, and Liv Morgan couldn't believe what had just happened. She smiled at Dominic Mysterio, who immediately left the ring. Liv Morgan then approached Dominic Mysterio in a backstage area and thanked him. She thanked him for saving her from his dad and called Rey Mysterio a deadbeat. Dominic Mysterio said that he wasn't saving her from Rey Mysterio. He simply doesn't like his dad, and that's why he pushed him. Liv Morgan wasn't hearing anything and ended up hugging Dominic Mysterio before he left the backstage area. The next week, Damian Priest was horrified to see Liv Morgan in the Judgment Day's locker room. Upon seeing Damian Priest, Liv Morgan told him that she was just leaving, and then wished Dominic good luck for his match. Later in the night, Dominic Mysterio came out during the Women's World Championship match that was held between Liv Morgan and Zelina Vega. Liv was beside herself with joy when she saw Dominic Mysterio at ringside. In the end, Liv Morgan ended up retaining her title against Zelina Vega. During the Dominic Mysterio vs Rey Mysterio match, Liv Morgan came out. Rey Mysterio hit Dominic Mysterio with a leg drop and he fell on top of Liv Morgan. When he tried to get off Liv Morgan, Liv made it sure that he couldn't. She grabbed his legs so that he couldn't move off of her. A frustrated Rey Mysterio came out and separated the duo. On the July 8, 2024 episode of WWE Raw, Rhea Ripley finally made her massive return. It started when a mixed tag team match was scheduled between Dominic Mysterio, Liv Morgan and Rey Mysterio, Zelina Vega. Throughout the night, Dominic Mysterio kept avoiding Liv Morgan, but all Liv Morgan wanted was to stretch Dominic Mysterio's legs and help him prepare for the match. At first, Dominic Mysterio was hesitant, but later told Liv Morgan that it wasn't that bad. Suddenly, the Judgment Day members came in, catching Dominic Mysterio and Liv Morgan in an awkward position. Later in the night, Dominic and Liv defeated Rey and Zelina Vega, and Liv Morgan couldn't control her emotions and got on top of Dominic Mysterio. She jumped off Dominic Mysterio and was about to drop a kiss on his lips when suddenly Rhea Ripley's music hit and out came Mami. An enraged Mami chased Liv Morgan through the crowd before putting her focus on Dominic Mysterio, who was left alone in the ring. Rhea Ripley then approached Dominic Mysterio and yelled at him that Mami was back. A scared Dominic Mysterio couldn't even look at Rhea Ripley. Ripley pulled Dominic Mysterio's chin up and told him again that Mami was back. Dominic then tried to hug Rhea Ripley, but she wasn't having anything to do with him. Rhea left the ring immediately and Dominic started chasing her, telling her that he didn't have anything to do with Liv Morgan. Latest episode of Raw, Rhea Ripley challenged Liv Morgan to a Women's World Championship match at SummerSlam 2024, which Liv Morgan accepted, and the match is now on. Later in the night, Liv Morgan was on top of Dominic Mysterio and was about to kiss him when Rhea Ripley came out and chased Liv Morgan through the crowd once again. So this is what has happened so far in the Rhea Ripley, Liv Morgan, Dominic Mysterio love triangle saga. It will all end seemingly at SummerSlam 2024 when Liv meets Rhea to defend her Women's World Championship. It's quite likely that Dominic Mysterio will play a huge role in this match and might end up helping Liv Morgan once again, thus extending this feud in the coming months.